Hello everyone. In this video, let's see how to use ANT Mobi mobile trading app. This app is available for all of your devices. So before starting, let's understand a brief about ANT Mobi. ANT Mobi is the best platform to trade with technology. ANT Mobi allows people to analyze and trade with financial instrument in all exchanges: NSE, MCX and BSE. View real-time market data, analyze market and instruments with easy to follow tools, place order with a few taps, and evaluate your portfolio and useful news feeds. It helps people in trading and brokerage. So let's get started. First, you have to install ANT Mobi mobile trading app through Play Store. I have already installed this ANT Mobi mobile in my mobile. So first, log in with your credential. Enter two-factor authentication. So you will be redirected to this window. This is the ANT Mobi dashboard where you can see the current market updates, portfolio and screeners, in which you can check top gainers and top losers. For more details, you can click here, and here you can find two drop-down menus under which you will be providing these options: day losers, day gainers, most active volume, volume shockers, upper circuit limit, lower circuit limit. And here in the second drop down you can get NSE, Nifty 50, Nifty 100, Nifty 200. So these are the options. When you click on menu, under account option, you will find profile and setting, fund details, screeners, price alerts, admin message. Under fundamental, you will get a small case. Under ecosystem, you will get trade store, calculator, post box, trade school and bot. When you click on investment option, you will get mutual fund, IPO, equity SIP, basket order. So these are the options available in the investment. After dashboard is market watch. You can create your market watch here, and you can click on search instrument. You can search stocks here. Here you can see the stock price, market depth and their statistics. And you can also get the technical details of the stocks. And from here you can buy or sell. The another option here is order, where you will get your pending order details, complete order details and the intraday trades. The next option here is portfolio. Under portfolio you can see your positions and holdings. And the last option here is fund, where you can see your available balance. Also you can check your margin used, pay in, payout, cash margin as well as collateral margin and exposure margin. So hope you understand how to use ANT Mobi mobile app. Thank you for watching this video.